Hi everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guarantee RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website. Today I'm going to take you over a 2013 26 RB Keystone Cougar. Follow me inside. Okay, here we are inside the 2013 Cougar. We've got two nice sized bunks in the back. Great for adults if we want to sleep them there. We've got a huge U-shaped dinette. Great for seating a lot of people. You can probably get 6 people in there pretty easily. Nice theater seating type chairs over there. Big TV on the wall. Across from that, we've got a great kitchen, 3-burner stove, nice sized oven, microwave with a hood, and then plenty of storage here. Got a good sized fridge and freezer. It's a Dometic with a nice pantry next to it. Plenty of storage there. And then we've also got a great bathroom in the back. We can get into that from the bunks right next to it. And then we've got our private sleeping quarters in the front. Nice queen size bed, full walk around. And then we've got our master control panel there right when you enter the trailer, right in front of the door actually. And the thermostat's there. You've got a remote control that'll do your slides and some other operations, your awning control, your lights, everything, your monitor panel. It's all right there right when you enter the door. Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guarantee. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video today. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057 if you have any questions or concerns on this or any of our other RVs in stock. Have a great day.